Welcome back, everyone, and welcome to the kind of job site where the ground shakes, the trucks never stop rolling, and every bucket load is a statement. Today you're watching CAT 6015B and CAT 374D in action. Mega overburden loading, 4-axle Mercedes and MAN trucks with speed, control, and serious operator skill. Stay with me, because the difference between moving dirt and running a high-output loading operation comes down to technique, timing, and a whole lot of iron. In this video, you'll see the CAT 6015B, built for heavy mining duty, digging and loading with big, steady passes. And you'll see the CAT 374D, doing fast, precise truck loading where clean fills and quick cycles keep the haul road flowing. Watch closely for the small details: truck positioning, swing angles, bucket placement, and how the operators manage the face to keep production high and the work zone safe. Let's start with what overburden loading really means in mining. Overburden is the material sitting above valuable layers: soil, clay, broken rock, and mixed ground that has to be removed before the mine can reach the pay zone. It's not glamorous, but it's essential, and it can make or break the schedule. The mission is simple: move huge volumes efficiently, keep the benches stable, and keep trucks cycling with minimal weighting. When this system works well, it looks almost effortless, like the excavator and the trucks are connected by an invisible rhythm. Now focus on the CAT 374D. This machine is a large hydraulic excavator designed for high productivity across demanding earth-moving and quarry work. What matters here is responsive hydraulics and smooth combined movements: boom, stick, bucket, and swing, all working together without hesitation. Look at this angle as the operator loads the truck. The bucket comes in low and controlled, curls through the pile, then the upper structure swings with a steady, predictable arc. That steady swing is efficiency. Short, consistent swing angles reduce time per cycle, save fuel, and keep the operator in a repeatable pattern that holds up hour after hour. Watch closely as the bucket dumps into the truck body. A good operator doesn't rain material from the sky. Instead, the bucket is guided closer to the bed before the dump, reducing impact shock and limiting spillage. The first pass usually sets a base, the next passes spread the load, and the last pass is about leveling, because balanced loads matter. An evenly loaded truck handles better on rough haul roads, reduces tire abuse, and helps avoid unnecessary maintenance. Those small choices, where the bucket lands, how the material is placed, add up to big gains across a full shift. Now look at the trucks. 4-axle Mercedes and MAN haulers are built for serious payload work, and they thrive when loading is consistent. Efficient operations don't just measure how fast the excavator can dig. They measure the whole cycle: spotting time, loading time, and how quickly the truck can pull out safely. Look at this moment when the truck rolls into position. The best setup is when the truck's bed is aligned to the excavator's natural dump point, so the machine doesn't need exaggerated swing or constant corrections. When the spot is right, the excavator loads faster and the truck leaves smoother. No backing and respotting, no wasted motion. Look at this angle as the 6015B digs into the face. Notice how stable it stays. The operator is cutting the material in a controlled pattern, loading the bucket efficiently instead of fighting the ground. Overburden can vary from loose to packed, and a smart operator adapts instantly. Sometimes you slice thin layers for smooth fill. Other times you bite deeper where the material breaks cleanly. Watch closely as the bucket curls. This is where hydraulic control matters. A smooth curl loads the bucket faster and reduces wasted energy. And it keeps the machine from rocking, which helps accuracy during the swing. Now follow the swing to the truck. On a machine this size, controlling the dump is a skill. Instead of slamming material into one corner, the operator places it in the bed with intention, front to back, side to side, shaping the load so it sits stable. That's not just neatness, that's safety and performance. Trucks with balanced loads track straighter, brake more predictably, and reduce the chance of spillage on the haul road. And less spillage means less cleanup later, because every dozer minute spent cleaning is a minute not spent pushing or maintaining the bench. Here's a real production highlight. Consistency beats aggression. Anyone can make one impressive pass. The professionals make every pass look the same. Same swing height, same dump point, same rhythm. That repeatability reduces operator fatigue and protects the machine. Look closely at the boom height during swing. It's not overly high. It's just enough to clear the truck sides. That's efficient motion. Extra lift is wasted time and wasted fuel, and over hundreds of cycles, it becomes a big loss. Now zoom out mentally and think about the mining process you're seeing. The excavators are the heart of the operation, but the system includes the bench, the haul road, the dump area, and the traffic flow. When trucks arrive too early, they stack up and waste time. When trucks arrive too late, the excavator waits and production drops. The goal is a smooth pipeline. One truck spots, gets loaded in a predictable number of passes, and exits while the next truck approaches. Watch closely for that handoff. When it's done right, there's almost no dead time, and the entire site runs like a moving conveyor belt. If you're enjoying this kind of real heavy equipment content, take a second and hit the like button. It helps this video reach more mining and machinery fans. And I want to hear from you in the comments. If you were running this job, would you rather operate the high-production CAT 6015B or the fast, precise CAT 374D? Also tell me what you want next. More overburden loading, dozer push scenes, or haul truck climbs under full load? And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. We've got more big excavators, more truck loading, and more real job site action coming. Clean footage, real operations, and the details that true equipment lovers appreciate. Thanks for watching Cat 6015B and Cat 374D in action. Mega overburden loading, 4-axle Mercedes and MAN trucks. If you're ready for the next one, you won't want to miss what's coming. Bigger cuts, heavier loads, and even more machine power in action. Stay safe out there, keep it productive, and I'll see you in the next video.